So after the really hard runs that I do, I come home with super achy muscles or maybe even an achy joint or something like that, is I use an ice cup to ice it down after the workout. It's really important to get the ice on as soon as you can. So maybe I'll do the workout, just stretch a little bit, and then I'll hit it with this ice cup. And if you don't have an ice cup, you can always just use a styrofoam cup, a paper cup, any type of cup. Freeze it overnight, and then use it to ice your legs with. So it's really simple. All you're gonna do is say, your quad is hurt or something like that. You're just gonna apply just some pressure on there, just kind of medium pressure, nothing, you don't have to push as hard as you can, and just kind of move it around the sore area. And all that does is it reduces the blood flow into the area and it reduces the inflammation. So it's really going to help you manage those little kinks that you're going to get in your hard training. I know the ice cups have really helped me work through some of those little injuries that I've had in my past. So again, just light pressure, and I like to just do it for 10 or 15 minutes. So you're not doing it for like a half an hour, but I'll do it maybe 2 or 3 times a day. So it's really important that you hit it right away, that you hit it often, but not at a super long time.